excited to be unboxing the Rana George Lenormand deck. Stay tuned, let's see what's inside. All right, my review on this deck from Rana George, the Lenormand deck. First off, let's just start off with the beautiful imagery, artistry on each card on the front. Now, the design of the box is really cool. It has the magnet on the side. You hear that little pop? So it's really cool. The gold accents all over here are just gorgeous. As you can see, it shimmers. What girl doesn't like shimmer? And then we go into the box. Now it comes with a booklet, which provides amazing information just on the card itself, the meaning, but not only that, it gives you some other insights too with different pairings. And if you're new to the Lenormand style, it gives you a lot of information, which is really, really great. Let's look inside. As you guys already did, the amazing colors just pop with the gold. I mean, look at that. It's just, even the camera doesn't even do justice, but it is gorgeous. And then you can move on to the back, and it's again with the gold, as you can see, and the beautiful artistry on it. It's gorgeous. Literally, I could not put these cards down. Number one, the cardstock is very thick. It's not like a flimsy, oh, it drops, it's gonna bend type of thing. So it's very sturdy and durable. You can get an amazing shuffle out of them. Let me take them out really quick and show you. You can get a really good shuffle. Look at that. It doesn't stick, and I haven't like broken them in or anything like that. And it's just really, 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 I can tell you this is like my top 5 favorite deck of cards in my collection right now. I could not put these down. I don't know what it is, the energy from them. It's amazing. I highly recommend this style of Lenormand deck from Rana George. Is amazing. Trey, I fell in love with this deck. The artistry is amazing, and really, I'm just in awe. It's just gorgeous. It's attention to detail, every part of it, front and back. You don't feel like you're limited. Front is just as amazing as the back artistry. It's a beautiful set of cards. I am a fan of Middle Eastern culture and belly dancing. I've been belly dancing since I was a young girl. I used to perform, so that culture just calls to me, and I can really appreciate the Lebanese culture. In the imagery and the artistry, it's just gorgeous. It's, first off, that culture is so rich in beauty, and it's definitely coming through in this deck. So their purpose, you know, if we're trying to have that come out within this deck, they nailed it. It's an amazing deck. Honestly, I cannot put this deck down. I can't stop raving about this. You need to get this deck. It's an amazing, from artistry, from the energy that you feel from it. It's beautiful. I will put the link below. Definitely comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have this deck and your feelings, your thoughts, and so on. All right, my tribe, thank you again for joining me, and blessed be.